Hello, wealth builders and future millionaires. Welcome back to my channel where we explore powerful strategies to grow wealth and achieve financial freedom. Today we're diving into a unique and transformative topic, how gratitude can help you grow wealth and become rich. If you're ready to unlock this secret, stay tuned. Gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's a powerful mindset that can transform your financial life. When you cultivate gratitude, you open yourself up to opportunities, attract positive outcomes, and build stronger relationships, all of which are essential for wealth creation. Let's start by understanding how gratitude can change your financial perspective. Gratitude helps you focus on what you have, rather than what you lack. This shift in mindset can reduce stress, increase happiness, and improve decision-making. It allows you to see opportunities that others might overlook and fosters a positive outlook that attracts success. Many successful individuals attribute their wealth and success to a mindset of gratitude. Let's look at some practical examples from billionaires who practice gratitude. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, often speaks about the importance of gratitude. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett lives a relatively modest lifestyle and consistently expresses gratitude for his opportunities. He acknowledges the people and circumstances that have contributed to his success, which helps him maintain a positive and grounded mindset. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and billionaire, has long championed the power of gratitude. She keeps a gratitude journal and encourages others to do the same. Oprah believes that focusing on what you're grateful for helps attract more positive experiences and opportunities into your life. Her success story is a testament to the transformative power of gratitude. Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, is known for his adventurous spirit and positive outlook. Branson frequently expresses gratitude for his experiences and the people around him. He credits his grateful mindset for his ability to take risks, innovate, and build a global business empire. Now that we've seen how gratitude has played a role in the success of these billionaires, let's discuss actionable steps you can take to cultivate gratitude and grow your wealth. Here are some practical strategies you can start implementing today. Start a gratitude journal where you write down at least 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice can shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life and help you maintain a mindset of abundance. Over time, you'll notice how this positive outlook attracts more opportunities and wealth. Set aside a few minutes each day for gratitude meditation. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on the things you're thankful for. Visualize the positive outcomes you desire and express gratitude as if they've already happened. This practice can help you manifest your financial goals and keep you motivated. Make it a habit to express gratitude to the people around you, whether it's a simple thank you or a heartfelt note. Showing appreciation strengthens relationships and creates a supportive network. These positive relationships can lead to new opportunities and collaborations that contribute to your wealth. Take time to reflect on your past successes and the progress you've made. Acknowledge your achievements and the lessons you've learned along the way. This reflection can boost your confidence and remind you of your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your financial goals. Engage in activities that allow you to give back to your community. Whether it's volunteering, donating, or mentoring, contributing to others' well-being can enhance your sense of gratitude and fulfillment. Additionally, giving back can open doors to new connections and opportunities. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth and achieve financial success. But it's not just about listening, it's about taking action. If you're ready to start your journey to wealth through gratitude, I want you to type "I am grateful" in the comments below. Let's build a community of like-minded individuals who support and uplift each other on this journey. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. By cultivating gratitude, you're setting yourself up for a prosperous and fulfilling life. So don't wait. Start practicing gratitude today and watch how it transforms your financial life. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these insights and strategies valuable. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who could benefit from this message. And don't forget to comment "I am grateful" to show your commitment to this journey. Stay tuned for more videos on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to financial success and create a life of abundance. Until next time, stay grateful and keep building your wealth. Remember, gratitude is the foundation of wealth. Embrace it, practice it, and watch your life transform. Thank you for being a part of this community. See you in the next video.